Hi, welcome to a video tutorial from Equator. In this video we are going to use TI-34 scientific calculator to use trigonometric functions. This video is part of a full video manual for this calculator. The link to watch that video is below this video in the description. Now let's have a look at the trigonometric functions of this calculator. If you want to do cosine of 45, now to do that we press second function and trig. Trig is the second function of pi. Now we can select sine and then 45. You don't need to enter the degree because it's already a degree, so it will be converted back to degree if it is. So we got 0.71. And the answer, if you want to include the angle the same way, second function trig 2 cosine 8.3, and this time we want to get second function angle and degree. So explicitly we are entering the degree. The answer is the same, but it will help if you are confused, just explicitly enter the value. Now pi over 2 radian, sine pi over 2 radian, press second function trig, one is sine, and then pi over 2, come to the right, and let's put radian here, second function angle, and then for radian, let's see, number 4 radian, that means pi over 2 radian, and the answer is 1. You see 2 decimal places. This is due to the float point, which we forgot to change mode. It's 2, come down to float, enter, clear, and press enter again. The answer is 1. Now, if inverse is used to find the angle theta, the theta, but we must have the sine or cosine or tangent of the theta. For example, we have sine of theta is equal 0.8. What is that theta? So we can use sine inverse to find that. To do that, we press second function trig, and number 4 sine inverse 0.8 close, and that's the value, and it says rounded to 2 decimal places, mode, go to float, 2, enter, clear, just press enter again, it will be evaluated, and the result is rounded to 2 decimal places. And the instruction is here. The same way for cosine of an angle is minus 0.5, second function trig, so that will be 5 minus inverse cosine, and then for minus we press this button and then 0.5, enter, and that's the angle with 2 decimal places. If it was not, let's change it back to float, for float, and enter, so that's 120, and that is 120 degrees. Thank you for watching. This was the full video instruction manual for this TI-34 Multiview scientific calculator. Please thumb up the video, and also please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. If you have comment or question, post it at the comment section below. I try to answer and reply. If you want to purchase this calculator, the affiliated links are below this video. If you purchase it, I will get some commission. It will help me. Thank you.